HDB resale prices in the first quarter of the year grew at the slowest pace in 10 straight quarters. Now, flash estimates showed an increase of 0.9%. That's down from the 2.3% spike that was seen in the previous three-month period. Analysts are saying that price resistance set in while demand for smaller resale flats picked up. Rebecca Mateo tells us more.
The sky is looking a little brighter for homebuyers eyeing resale flats as their prices start to stabilize. Real estate analysts say price resistance is playing a role in slowing down the rate of increases.
If you look at HDB resale prices over the last 3 years, the prices have gone up by about 31.9%. So as HDB resale prices are pretty high now, they are seeing resistance set in by buyers that are largely more price sensitive.
With the high interest rate environment and inflationary pressures at play, market watchers foresee buyers diverting their interest to more affordable options.
We expect that more buyers will go for smaller resale flats. So with that, we may expect like foreign flats or even smaller flats to have more demand. And with that, prices may rise for some locations.
But prices won't likely rise dramatically as the government plans to release more build-to-order flats in the coming months. HDB says it will be offering some 5,400 new units in May in areas including Bedok, Kallang Wampo, Serangoon and Tengah. Market watchers expect this to take some heat off the resale market. For private homes, flash estimates show sales fell 8% on a quarterly basis and 38% year-on-year. Prices rose by 3.2% compared to 0.4% in the previous quarter, excluding new executive condominiums.
Private home prices rose faster last quarter, mainly because new home sales form a bigger proportion of total sales last quarter, and new homes typically are sold at higher prices than resale properties. So new homes, excluding ECs, rose from 19% in the last quarter of 2022 to about 33% in the first quarter of this year.
Prices of homes near the city fringe rose the most.
They are quite similar to prime location homes, but they come at a nicer and sweeter price than compared to prime market condos. So therefore, city fringe or RCR properties are very highly favored by locals as well as foreign purchasers. Secondly, the number of units sold in new launches could also have contributed to the faster price increase for RCR.
Analysts say the already high prices of private homes will likely continue to climb, but may reach a point where it is no longer sustainable.
Those people who expect price continue to increase at this stage are unlikely to move forward at this, unless there are very strong positive economic factor that can drive this price growth. Otherwise, it's hard to see how the price can continue to grow at this rate. When the price reaches a very high point, there's also a tendency that the price momentum may slow down if you have not hit the inflection points.
Analysts say for property prices to be sustainable, they should move in tandem with economic growth. Their advice for homebuyers is not to overstretch their financial ability. This as interest rates are unlikely to adjust downward anytime soon, and prices could grow up to 8% this year.